Buongiorno from Firenze. I'm in Florence, Italy, and I traveled 24 hours over the last 2 days to get here, and I arrived last night about 6:30. I'm actually staying in a convent that is very close to the train station, and I'm leaving today to go to Arezzo, which is just south of Florence, and I'm meeting with one of my instructors there, and we'll go to a museum and spend a little bit of time together, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I went to the Central Market this morning. I got my meat and cheese for my train ride, so I have a snack, and I also have breakfast there, and I did have a cafe latte standing at the bar, which is what the locals do. And so one of the local delicacies here in Florence is this, I think it's called tripe. It's a tripe sandwich, which is like the fifth stomach of the cow or something. Well, I could tell by the texture of the meat that I wasn't going to be able to eat that at all, because it just looked kind of slimy, and I didn't I really didn't think I could stomach it, no pun intended. But I elected to have, I think it was called a biotti, just a beef sandwich. So it was local Florentine beef. It was stewed, it was cooked in a broth, but it was actually like a chunk of like steak. And anyway, then it was sliced and put on a sandwich, and they serve it on like an Italian roll, so it's really crisp on the very hard bread. But they cut the roll in half and they put the meat, and then they use some kind of almost like a pesto sauce, and then a hot pepper sauce over that. And then they actually take the top of the sandwich that's very crisp and dry, and they dip it down in the sauce or the broth that they cook the